called baby cats. Kittens. Kittens are baby cats. They are often born in a litter of 3 to 5. Brothers and sisters cuddle close to stay warm. Little kitten also snuggle with mom. Her fur makes a soft blanket. Sometimes mom carries her kitten. She picks them up with her teeth. The kittens cry when they are hungry. They purr as they drink mom's milk. They also purr when mom grooms them. Older kittens groom themselves. They lick their paws and wipe their faces. Kittens pounce on top of one another. This is how they play. Then kittens stretch out to relax. Big yawn. And that's the end of Baby Cats, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notifications.